Hey everyone, I'm Chris Kerrigan. Thanks for stopping by. Today's video is inspired from my Navy days, circa 1993, while aboard this beautiful vessel, the USS Independence, and came up with this one. I didn't want to eat what they were serving on board the ship. So after some research and development, I made some modifications to the original version, and I think this really takes this to the next level. So this is going to be a quick, fun video, one you can do with the kiddos, so let's get started. Boom. Your eyes are not deceiving you, folks. This is what we're working with today, because today on Making It with Chris, we're making salsa dogs. Like I mentioned earlier, I've made some modifications to the original version, like doing away with hot dog buns and opting for cheap white bread. And yes, this is an upgrade. You'll see why in a minute. Upgrade number 2, the hot dogs themselves. Nathan's Skinless Beef Franks, well, they are the best. And you don't have to take my word for it. America's Test Kitchen has them rated as top dog as well. You really can't beat these wieners. Upgrade number 3, the salsa. Pace Chunky Salsa is another America's Test Kitchen favorites. And no, I'm not sponsored by ATK. I'm just really a big fan. So back in the day, it was no-name processed cheese slices, but now that I'm all grown up, nothing but the finest will do. Brand name. Kraft American singles, and not that 2% milk stuff. I want all that fatty goodness, and you should too. Let's be honest, it's not like this is a top 10 healthy recipe. It's all about the flavor today. The original salsa dogs didn't use butter, so that's new to the mix. We'll be using this to get our cheap white bread beautifully golden brown and delicious. Think butter sponge. All right, time to start cooking. As you know, there's a number of ways to cook a hot dog. Actually, you're just kind of heating it through because it's already cooked. You can grill them, boil, microwave, instant pot, pan fry, whatever. But today, I'm opting for a grill pan. I prefer to grill these outside, but it's 20 degrees and feels like 15, so it's indoor cookery for me today. This will probably be the only time I'll use a grill pan. I find them really annoying to clean. And even though they produce nice grill marks, I prefer more surface contact with my food that you get in, say, like a cast iron skillet. But today, I'm going for some pretty markings. All right, pro tip here, if you go the boil route, don't forget to salt the water. If not, the salt in the hot dogs will leach out their salt into the water and leaving you with a bland Frankfurter. It's all about equilibrium. I don't know, I saw it on the internet. So I know it's true. It was actually a reliable source, Kenji Lopez Alt, so you can take that as gospel. All right, now it's time to start that butter sponge. Take a hunk of butter, 3/4 of a tablespoon to a tablespoon, I guess, and put that on your griddle or in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Now, be mindful of the temperature. We don't want to burn the butter. Once the butter is melted, get your bread into that pool of yellow goodness and add your cheese to the bread. We're going for low and slow, folks, and patience will certainly be rewarded. After about 10 minutes, these dogs will be heated through and hopefully have some attractive markings. These didn't get quite as dark as I would have liked, but I still know they're going to be delicious. All right, let's put these things together, and as you can see, this isn't going to be rocket surgery here. You put the dog on the melty cheese, spoon on some salsa, and fold it in half. All right, notice that, a beautifully golden brown crust. The bread has soaked up all that butter for an added flavor bomb, trust me. This really is next level hot dogging that hits all the points. You know, first you've got the different textures, light crunch, as well as the softness of the butter toasted bread, the creaminess of the melted cheese, followed by that snap of the dog, and finally that smooth, saucy, yet chunkiness of the salsa. And the flavor, it's out of this world. All the ingredients working together to give your taste buds that special treat. So I hope you'll give this one a shot. If you do, please leave me a comment below and let me know what you thought of this. And if you liked it, hit that like button. And if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and be part of the journey that is Making It with Chris. All right, folks, until next time, stay safe, keep healthy, and above all, be a good human being. Thanks for watching.